Hello viewers, this is Israel Scott here, reporting live from Jamaica Avenue in Jamaica, Queens, walking towards 163rd. It is in the middle of the blizzard, January 23rd, 2016. There's very little visibility, maybe not even 1/4 of a mile. As you can see, very few people on foot. There are some people still driving. They're not supposed to be driving. There was a ban at 2:30. They are going home, no doubt. And this is Israel Scott Live, Jamaica Avenue, Jamaica, Queens, New York. Thanks for watching.